Who sucks? Who sucks?
Is that a Taurus 45?
Yeah.
Cool gun.
What's up?
Cool gun.
It's fun. This is Daza. All the holes on the target that's like in the center or nearer to mine, and all of the holes that you can't see because they ain't hit the target are Daza's. Watch how slow he loads this thing.
It's faster than the thing. Shut up.
Just use the auto load.
No, because it's slow.
No, because it's slow. You pick. Is mine loaded?
No.
No? It's not? And everybody down here. Everybody's shooting. Some are better than others.
What?
Huh? Oh my gosh, are you done yet?
Do you see it?
The people want to see you shoot. Okay, here, hold this.
Oh, yeah.
I can see you shoot. And you hold on. Still recording, Jesus.
This is him shoot. That was nice. Nice. You dry.
Every time I've been